In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Kindle app on your smartphone. So because there are so many imitations of such popular apps, you want to know which is the right app to install and where to install it from. To do this, just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get started, you need to go to Google Play Store app if you're on Android smartphone like me, or App Store if you're on iPhone. So I'll tap on Google Play Store and here I'll activate search. Now under search here, you can search for your app by name. So if I tap on this, I'll just enter Kindle, and if I run my search, now we have our Amazon Kindle app here. First, tap on it to see details about the app. Make sure it is Amazon Kindle reading app. You want to ensure that it is from Amazon Mobile LLC, and at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 4 million reviews on Google Play Store, and currently this app has been downloaded over 100 million times. So this data might have changed by the time you're watching this. The current average size is around 76 MBs, as you can see here. Now if you see these details, you will know that you have the right app. To get it, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Amazon Kindle app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can open it from here, or if you go to your phone and go to apps, you can see the app is here, and this is the current logo. Tap on it to open, and this is the welcoming interface. You can now go ahead, set up your account and start using Amazon Kindle app. So that's how you can install the right Amazon Kindle app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.